If you want to change slow motion speed on a Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, then once you open the camera app, then in here we should be able to simply swipe up where we have our camera modes. So of course go to the slow motion mode. Now here, before you start recording, you can choose the speed that you want to use for your slow motion video by changing the frame rate. The higher the frame rate is, the slower the video can be. So if you use, for example, 240 frames per second, you will be able to make your slow motion video even slower compared to 120 frames per second. There is also 960 frames per second option available, but in this case we have a duration limit. So only this part over here, so you can see on the shutter button we have these lines around it, and this section, this last quarter of that circle, is actually that part that is going to be recorded. So only a very tiny bit of a second, I guess, that we can record. So unfortunately a huge limitation, but you can of course make a super slow motion video. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.